Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, X sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Capricorn. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Lot of cards I'm not taking. Capricorn. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Good. Messages for Capricorn. Five of Wands and Ten of Wands. I think there is a lot of drama going in your relationship, especially. And Ten of Wands, you are feeling overburdened. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. That's why it is becoming overburdened for you. Yes, maybe your person is in and out of your life. And drama, lot of drama. So let's see your reading recent past. Eight of Swords, the Empress and Eight of Cups. Maybe you are feeling stuck in this relationship and maybe they treated you as an option. They are not available to you when you need them emotionally. They are in and out of your life. So it causing a lot of stuckness in you and you decided to walk away. Eight of Cups, yes. Because you want to focus on yourself. You want to take your control back, Capricorn. You decided in past and you did it for some, definitely. Because Eight of Cups, the Empress, and you overcome this energy that you now you stand by your power. You are taking your control back totally. Then present Eight of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands. You are totally focusing on your career. Yes, you are focusing on your goal. You are doing hard work for that, and you are very focused toward your goal. And Ten of Pentacles, definitely financial stability is coming. Eight of Pentacles to Ten of Pentacles, progress is here. And there is some progress in your life also is coming. Very fast moving energy. Maybe some traveling is also involved. I think there is some communication is coming. Someone wants to communicate with you. Eight of Wands energy. Lots of communication is coming. For some it could be a past person. For some it could be a new person. It depends on your situation. Then future Temperance, Seven of Swords and the Emperor. I think one person is sneaky in this connection. There are some trust issues between you and your person. So you want to restore the balance within yourself. You are taking your control. Now you're totally in your control. Yes. I think your person may be sneaky. They played games with you. Maybe they are coming back with an maybe apology and they want to communicate with you. But you are now totally in your control, Capricorn. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Queen of Cups. So, okay, first Queen of Cups. Capricorn, the true feelings. Chariot with Two of Pentacles. I think your person want to come towards you, but they are in very, very slow moving energy. They are juggling. Yes, maybe they're confused. They have to make some decision. That's why they are in very, very slow moving energy. Maybe they're recognizing their feelings towards you because Queen of Cups, they have strong feelings towards you. And Ten of Swords, they For some, right now you both are in separation because you decided to walk away from this connection, but they still want rebirth in this connection. Maybe they are waiting for right time to approach you because Wheel of Fortune is here. Your person is waiting for the right time, divine timing. And yes, they are planning to come back, but they are very, very slow moving energy. So let's see their intentions. Capricorn. Nine of Swords with King of Cups. I think they are missing you. They are suffering in silence. They are losing their nights over you. They are obsessed with you. For some, this person may be toxic for you because Seven of Swords is here and the Devil is here. Definitely, they are heavily obsessed with you, Capricorn. And it's your reading and it's your card, Capricorn, the Devil card. And I think it's obsession. Very, very few, maybe this person is toxic for you. And for some, you both are in twin flame journey. And the Fool, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith, but they are waiting for the right time to approach you. They are missing you, Capricorn. They are missing you, and they want a brand new beginnings with you. They still want rebirth in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or another Capricorn also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Five of Cups. They are missing you. They want to say apology to you. Yes. For some, your person is immature. Children's also involved in this connection. And yeah, there are a lot of illusion, lot of disturbances between both of you. But they are missing you. Definitely, they are missing you badly. And they want to say apology to you. They want to text you. You are taking your control back. Now you stand by your power. For some, you decided to walk away, but still you love this person because love is there. Gemini, the person involved in this connection, could be. Definitely there is some communication is coming to fix the things between both of you. They are coming back to fix the things, but it's up to you. Decision is in your hands totally, Capricorn, to accept or reject. Again, I am saying this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. And stability, Five of Cups, separation. Right now, you both are in separation. You both are feeling sad for the separation. And you both want stability in this connection. You both want marriage. Yes, King of Pentacles. For some, definitely near future, stability is coming. For some, it will take time. So, let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Capricorn. I want to be honest with you. Yes, communication is coming. Yes, I always thinking about you. Yes, because Nine of Swords and third party involved. I am not feel good enough for you and religious factors. Your love life may be affecting. Religious factors may be affecting your love life, and I want to be honest with you. Communication is coming. I always thinking about you. Third party involved. I am not feeling good enough for you. These are the messages from your person, and take what resonate. Yeah, for some, third party means family, friends. It could be anything. Definitely, they are thinking about you. Communication, I already told you, and they want to be honest with you. Yeah, for some, there are some trust issues between both of you in past. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Capricorn. Expect powerful change, new moon eclipse. Nothing will come of this situation. So for some, nothing will come of this situation. Maybe for some you decided to walk away, that's why this is the message. For some, expect powerful change. Definitely some powerful change is coming in this relationship, especially in your life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.